Hello together, my name is Thorsten Stein and I'm the Department Manager for Hemming Technologies in our company FFT. Today I want to introduce to you our FFT HemTech single roller hemming system. But before we start, I will give a short introduction into the basics of hemming. The hemming process itself is defined as mechanically joining sheet metal parts by forming. The FFT HemTech single is designed to be mounted on an industrial robot to perform the roller hemming process in several stages. The main advantages of the process are short commissioning times, easy and fast adjustments directly through the path programming of the robot to constantly optimize the quality. Also using the same roller hemming system to produce different types of parts in the same manufacturing line. To run our purely mechanical system on an industrial robot, no additional media supply is needed. We are using 3 standard versions of the system to find the best solution for your individual requirements, taking into account part analysis, hemming method planning, layout definitions and cycle time evaluations. The FFT HemTech Single S, a spring suspended hemming head with force measurement. The FFT HemTech Single F is a pure rigid hemming head. The FFT Single Y is also a spring-loaded hemming head, also with force measurement, and it is used for highly cambered parts. Let's talk about the spring-loaded system and the force measurement. The spring-loaded system is designed to perform as a rigid hemming tool during the pre-hemming operations, where high accuracy is needed to define the final geometries of the produced part. During the final hemming step, the spring-loaded system is activated to compensate process and part tolerances. The advantages are highly reducing maintenance and quality adjustment during the production lifetime cycle. The force measurement sensor is a very useful application to perform a precise initial commissioning with a constant path programming. It also helps to analyze and optimize the roller hemming application during the manufacturing process. The modular design of the FFT HemTech Single S and F creates a large variety of different configurations to find the best solution to our customer demands. The standard hemming geometries like flat hem, rope hem and precision exterior can be realized out of this modular system, no matter if we have to produce steel or aluminum parts. The slim design creates a minimal interference zone to enable maximum space for the fixture and downholder design. The FFT HemTech Single Y was developed to hem highly cambered parts. The tool enables more space for the downholder design and improves the robot reachability. Do you have special use cases or individual requirements? Do not hesitate to contact us. You will find a personal contact on our website or in the video description below. We are also providing individual solutions and can bring in our long-time experience to find the best fitting hemming process to your demands. Feel free to visit our homepage at fft.de to have a look at the FFT HemTech Single and all our other products. Thank you very much for your interest in our product. We are looking forward to get in contact with you. Goodbye.